So for every time we click this checkbox, we need to update a specific perk. We need to update, we need to hit this on change with all selected perks. So when we click one perk, we can add on click for this checkbox. And we can tell that, for example, the first one, Wi-Fi should be selected. So let's do this. For each input, let's add on click or maybe on change. I know which one works better. And let's call a function that doesn't exist yet, but this function will be named handle checkbox click, and we will call it as an arrow function because we will put a param here that will be a name. For example, it will be Wi-Fi for now for everything, and this function, let's define it here. So it's the function handle checkbox click, and now let's just do alert and with the name to see if this will work. So if I click Wi-Fi, okay. And when we click on it, we want to report to this function on change. So let's do on change with all other selected that we get from here. So let's return an array with all selected and our name that is just clicked. But this can be both clicked and unclicked. So let's see what we can do. Instead of passing a name, let's pass an event. So for now, we don't need to pass a name like this, handle checkbox click. Instead, we will just do handle checkbox click. So we'll get an event as a param. And from the event, we have target. So target is an input. And on the input itself, we can add names. So for all checkboxes, let's add the names. So let's put Wi-Fi on all for now. On the second, let's put parking. And here I will put TV and radio and so on. Let's do pets and here private or maybe just entrance. Yes, and I think we have fixed all of them. Yes. And now maybe we can check if the input is selected here. Let's do console log, event, target, and do we have any? Yes, we have selected. And let's open console and let's see. I will reload. And if I select Wi-Fi, it says undefined. If I unselect it, it's still undefined. Let's maybe just print target. Reload, Wi-Fi, input type checkbox, name Wi-Fi. Let's reveal here. It shouldn't be selected, I think. It should be not selected, but checked. Now let's go to console. We get true. If I click radio again, it's false. Yeah, so this one works. So now let's see if we can grab the name. So if I click radio, it says radio, pets. All right. So from event target, we can grab both the name and if it's checked or not. Const checked and name from event target. All right. And now when it's, we can call this on change function with all the previously selected. But should we add it? Yes, let's see if it's checked. So if it's true, then we should add it like this. But if it's not checked, so checked is false, then we should remove this name from the selected. So let's do it like this, on change, and here new array, ... Let's return all the selected, but from the selected, we want to filter out using a name. We want to check that name is different than our name here. So maybe we can rename this to selected name, and we can check that selected name is different than our name from the input. Now let's see if this will work. If I do it like this, and looks like it works. Let's see inside components. If I inspect this one, places page, we have stayed here with our perks here. Radio, pets, Wi-Fi, parking. Radio, pets, Wi-Fi, parking. If I unselect pets, we don't have pets here anymore, as you can see. Right, so it looks like perks works now. Now it would be nice to get rid of the